In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can easily count total words in Microsoft Excel. For this, you just need to select the range of your word. We are selecting our range of the word, then copy it. Then we just need to open our Microsoft Word. So we are opening it. Now you just need to paste it here. Paste there, and you can see the total words is 20 here. This is how you can easily count total words in Microsoft Excel. And there another way you can calculate total words in Microsoft Excel. If you want to know it from us, you can comment there and we will upload this video in next. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching the video.